I'm Jagir, and in today's video we're going to do an update with Ethereum. We did a high-level overview of Ethereum. We looked at the detail of Ethereum. It's likely that it was coming up to a wave 5 of a wave 5 of a wave 5 of a wave 5 of a wave 3. Woo! It's a lot of 5s. Normally I need to look at 2 degrees of time frames, maximum 3, but for the fun of it we did 5. And when you have that kind of confluence of events, a reversal's bound to come at some point. Like it's just inevitable. And today, if you love my content, or even if you just like it, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification, because I want to bring you these daily nuggets so you can get educated and stay up to speed. And if you're thinking, who is this guy? Well, my name is Jagir. I am the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. Actually been investing in trading in currencies for over 15 years, and I got featured in the best-selling book High Probability Trading Strategies back in 2008. And now I bring my knowledge, my wisdom, all of the hard work of 15 years to the crypto markets to you, so we can make highly probable investment decisions, risk management, minimize our losses and maximize our gains. So with this, starting on a very high level, right? It looks like, what the heck is this? This was the analysis that I did as a video previously done. Was the black line here, or the numbers is a 1, 2, and looks like it's making this amazing 3. It is woo! It's just like parabolic, right? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and this very, very, very overextended wave 5 of a wave 3. And when you get that kind of overextension, this part even here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just zoom in. Let's just zoom in. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, so it becomes clearer. Right? So even looking at this last part of this wave 5 of a wave 5 of a wave 5 of a wave 3, these blue numbers, 1, 2, 3, pretty standard in terms of Fibonacci ratios. But this part here, this wave 5 of 5 of 5, was just overextended, and it's normally typical panic buying, fear of missing out, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So then you just gonna see a reversal. It's just inevitable. It can't just go up that vertically, even though we want it to and make maximum profits. We love Ethereum. Ethereum is brilliant for the ecosystem. Most of the DeFi, decentralized finance, is on Ethereum. There's some amazing innovation. If you're innovating on Ethereum, kudos to you. I love Ethereum. I know this over in gas fees and all the rest. But we're looking at this from a purely technical standpoint, because the markets represents fear and greed. And we can see predictable chart patterns, so we can see what's likely to occur next. So let's have a look at what's likely to occur next. Now, if I just zoom back in here, this ratio here, if I can click on this, is, let's have a double check. If I can see, where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so this is literally this wave 3 low, which is the end of wave 2, the beginning of wave 3, which is this dot over here. I've just moved it to this side. To the wave 3 high is a typical correction for a wave 4. And then you'll see that I've measured these time zones and I've projected that forward also. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this like this. What we're going to see, what we should see, let me do it this way. I want to make this really clear for you, as clear as I can. More often than not, a wave 4 breaks down to a minimum of an A, B, C as a minimum, right? And we've seen this initial wave down, and a lot of people will think this is the end of the correction, but more often than not, it's going to be in the zone of the previous wave 4, which is down here. And the 38 to 50% retracement is down here also. So what should we anticipate? Well, let's just bring up the momentum indicator. We're probably going to see the beginning of a wave 8. So let's just zoom in. Let's just go to a 4-hour chart. See if the wave count of this initial wave A is clearer. Looks like we've got these 3 waves. Bump, bump, bump. Now a wave A, which is this initial wave down, is more often than not, on a lesser degree, breaks down to 5 waves. But it can also break down into 3 waves. So we will see how this unfolds. But what we're going to anticipate is a move to the upside at some point, which will be a wave B. There'll be probably a lot of positive news and people think Ethereum is going to go on to make all-time new highs. But similar to Bitcoin, Bitcoin did the exact same thing. If you see my Bitcoin analysis, I said the exact same thing. A wave A and we projected it perfectly. A wave B and we projected it perfectly. A wave C, 42,000. It sounded crazy to go from 60,000 to 42,000 with all the positive news of Bitcoin. But purely from a psychological standpoint, Elliot wave theory, Fibonacci theory, before the Elon Musk news, we projected that it was likely to hit 42,000 and bam, almost to the, within $100, it hit that point. So it was just like textbook stuff, textbook. And Ethereum will likely, not guaranteed, but likely follow suit. So it's going to be, we're expecting there's an A that's kind of forming, some type of B, and then a final wave C. That will come down into this range. The range that we're projecting is between 2,600 and 2,135, give or take. And as that last wave C, if it does start to unfold, we can get a really tighter projection. And then what we anticipate after that, if you're following me with this, if I just jump back to the daily chart, because this is important, and you know, well, let's just reset these. Bump, bump. Is what we anticipate is a wave. Let's just measure this. Bump, bump. I'm gonna do this for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we see. Yeah, we can project forward. I'm gonna go way back. This is like high degree. It's even better if you do it on a weekly chart because there's so many bars on a daily chart. Let's just do it. We've got the 2017 data. So what we're gonna do. This is high level stuff, guys. I'm gonna take the low of, let's just project this forward, this low down here of this beginning of this, what looks like a wave 1, you know, last year, it looks like nothing, but last year it was big movements. This low to this high over here, projected forward from this potential wave 4. Now it hasn't formed yet, I'm just guessing that it's going to be around here somewhere. Right, and hopefully that worked for me. Here we go, perfect. What we're going to do is just project forward the two typical numbers. Let me just get rid of one of these. Let's get rid of, I've drawn this before, right? Let's get rid of one of these. So the two typical numbers, the minimum for Ethereum is going to be 4,100 to 5,000. Now, more often than not, crypto markets are like the commodity markets. So financial markets, stock exchange, forex, currencies, etc. Wave 3 tends to be the biggest, strongest, most impulsive wave. With commodities, gold, silver, oil, etc., wave 5 tends to be overextended and most impulsive. And that's what I'm anticipating, because crypto tends to be more like the commodity markets, where there's a massive stampede of FOMO, fear of missing out, and there'll be massive panic buying. So I think this target of 5,000, just under 5,000 is going to be really exceeded, and we're going to see a very short period of time where we go up as high as 6, 7, 8,000, probably tag 10,000, and then see the beginning of a bear run. But I reckon that's going to go on till pretty much between, once the wave 4 completes, probably around till September, October, November. So there you have it. Updated information with Ethereum. We called this wave 3 high. The wave 4 hasn't formed fully yet. I wouldn't get overly aggressive on buying Ethereum just yet. I love Ethereum. I've made some good profits with Ethereum. I got, you know, as a project and everything else. But more from going from a technical standpoint, typical, we should expect 3 waves, A, B, C. We've only seen an initial wave down, so just be very wary. Now, if we do exceed this high, then we can reanalyze our thinking and the Elliot wave count. But right now, it looks like it's bearish to the downside. So there you have it, an update with Ethereum. If you like today's video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you haven't already, take my free crypto masterclass, How to Fund Your Retirement. I dive into a lot deeper detail into this stuff, into the crypto markets, into the technology evolution of crypto and how technology tends to evolve, risk management, how to protect yourself, minimize your risk, maximize your profits. It's free. Name, email, boom, immediate access. Enjoy, take notes, give me the feedback. I'm always looking to improve, to give you what you need to maximize your probability of success. All right, I will see you in my next video.